Hi, Robert Cassard, CEO of Voodoo Video Marketing. Today I have some unexpected news. I've made the difficult decision to retire the Voodoo Video Club and the Video Brandcaster social sharing app. Both of them will officially close down September 1st, 2026, but fully operable until then. I'm sure this is a bit of a shock, so I want to offer something to soften the blow and really ensure your success moving forward. So what I'm talking about is converting your rented marketing assets into marketing assets that you own. Because the truth is, Voodoo Video Club subscribers have always rented our videos, right? You could share them and link to them, but you never actually owned them. And the main drawback of renting is that you couldn't upload the videos to YouTube or natively on your website. Now that's a big deal because YouTube is effectively a permanent search engine and it feeds Google searches directly. I mean, you've probably noticed by now how videos are showing up organically in the sidebar. So anyway, we are retiring the club, but we're opening the Voodoo Vault and making the entire library, that's over 30 videos, available for permanent custom branding. So we're going to add your company name, your logo, your tagline, and then deliver a version of each video that you own forever. And that means you don't have to create marketing videos from scratch, right? You're going to have professionally produced, proven lead generating assets that'll work to grow your business for years to come, with no subscription fees, by the way. So we have a new landing page that explains all this and where you can review the available video topics and templates. And I'd recommend that you and your marketing staff watch each video and decide which ones are important for your marketing targets. I mean, we've got a series of 8 vertically targeted videos and all kinds of topical and informational videos too. And they're all proven to educate prospects and customers and generate leads. Now, it is time consuming for us to customize these videos. You know, we have base costs, but we're keeping the price per video as low as possible, and it gets even lower the more videos you buy. Check out the landing page and the menu of available videos, and then email us or grab a 15-minute meeting to discuss the details so we can get you in line for your video customizations and really make sure you have the marketing assets you need.